Wild Rose Beauty product review. New from Whitney Rose. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, you'll find everything from skincare to makeup to fashion to travel to meditation. Anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. This is called the Restore and Glow Set, and it consists of the Anti-Aging Oxygen Serum and the Daily Glow Moisturizer. This is what I decided to buy, first off, to try the brand. I may go back and buy more later. But so far, this is the third day of using it. I got it on Friday, used it Friday night. I used it both morning and night on Saturday, and then again this morning. I plan on using it again tonight. So far, I am loving it. The serum, you just put a couple of drops, and a couple of drops covers the whole face. Sometimes I feel a little bit of a tingling sensation, but basically it just goes on very soft and silky and smooth. Now this has a little bit of a fragrance to it, so if you don't like any fragrance at all, you might not like it, but I found this fragrance to be very pleasant, very refreshing. When I use these two together, first the serum, followed by the moisturizer, my skin felt so incredibly soft. When I put it, first time I used it was right before bed, and when I woke up in the morning, my skin still felt soft. Now, Whitney has a lot more products in her collection, including a cleanser, a toner, a hyaluronic product. I decided just to start with these two and make it the others later. So what I did, I just used the cleanser I normally use, the Clinique Take the Day Away, to get all my makeup off. I used a light exfoliant from number 7 and a toner from The Ordinary. Then I applied these products. And it worked great. For the past couple of days and for today as well, this is going to be my main product. This was the only moisturizer I used prior to going to sleep and during the day. There are a few other things you do need to use with this product. It does not include a sunscreen, so before putting on your makeup, just add a dab of sunscreen because that's crucial to any anti-aging routine. Another thing, it doesn't really include an eye cream, so if you really want something additional on your eyes, you might want to do that. Also a retinol. Okay, it's time for the first test of Wild Rose Beauty Anti-Aging Oxygen Serum and Daily Glow. I'm going to start with this Anti-Aging Oxygen Serum. Now, I need to mention that Whitney Rose Wild Rose Beauty makes all kinds of products, including cleansers and toners. I did not buy those right now. I decided to stick to just the two sort of signature products. First, see how my skin reacts to it, and then maybe buy more later. So I've already cleansed, exfoliated, toned. Now I am trying this serum. It contains a lot of the common ingredients, hyaluronic acid and peptides. It's supposed to be a very unique combination, so I just put a couple of drops, tapping it on my skin lightly. You know, just a very light treatment. See how my skin reacts. So far, feeling good. All right, so far I'm liking it. A little bit of a tingly feeling, but mostly it just feels fresh and clean. Slightly sticky, but not too much so, not greasy at all. Now let's try the Daily Glow. There, just a few drops, and test this out. This is the moisturizer. Very creamy, silky kind of. Has a little bit of a pleasant fragrance. All right, it's my first try. I'm going to be doing it for several days, and I'm going to try it also using the LED light and after doing derma rolling, and I'll just let you know my overall opinion on this. Well, I decided, because I like to have my face very, very moist when derma rolling, to just use an inexpensive hyaluronic acid serum before and use my Wild Rose after. So I'm going on with the derma rolling treatment right now, and I'll come back to you after I've let it sit for a while and put on my Wild Rose. Okay, I completed my derma rolling. I let my skin breathe for a while, and now I'm going to use the Wild Rose. Again, just a few drops go a long way with this. Just apply it to the skin. It feels good. There's no stinging or burning. I do advise, as with any new product, that you do a patch test first, particularly if you have sensitive skin. My skin has been sensitive with some products, but reacts wonderfully to this. So I'm really loving this. Now I'm going to put on the moisturizer as well. Also, before derma rolling, you should know your skin before any of this. I've been derma rolling for several months. I use the smallest size needles, the 0.25 or 0.025. And I don't have any redness or skin breaking out. You know, you always should be careful before applying anything to your skin with that. But this, it's really feeling good. It's feeling soft. I feel like I'm doing something really, really good for my skin right now. Another test I'm going to put this to is the LED wand test. And after trying a little bit of this on top of the Wild Rose, this is just another way to sort of seal in the moisturizers. Of course, if you watch Real Housewives of Salt Lake City, you know that Whitney Rose's skin is always absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm over 20 years older than she is, so I was wondering how it would work with my skin. And so far, so good. I'm really loving this. I'm going to let my daughter try it as well. She's actually younger than Whitney. She's in her late 20s. I have a feeling she's going to love it too. Well, that's my review of Wild Rose. Again, I'm loving this product. I'm going to be ordering more from her brand. I'm excited to see where she's going to take this. Will she be adding other products such as a mask or an eye cream? Whatever it is, I'm eager to try it. So again, bravo to Whitney Rose. I'm so glad I ordered this, and I highly recommend you do too. I've got a link below where you can get a special discount. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.